Good morning. I, Prabmeher,
I, Arsha,
are happy to present our model on eco-cycle farming on the theme natural farming. As we know, natural farming is an eco-friendly and sustainable approach to agriculture that works with nature rather than against it. By minimizing chemical inputs and focusing on natural processes, we can achieve restoration of soil health, increased biodiversity, and high yield that will be healthier for people and planet. The present day SDGs like life on land, life below water, sustainable cities and communities, responsible consumption and production, etc., are all mentioned in our Asia texts that are Rig Veda and Yajurveda, and the moniker Sone Ki Chidiya was given to India not without reason.
the model represents four essential techniques that forms a cycle of natural farming that are polyculture, vermiculture, agroforestry and bamboo wind towers. First we have polyculture. It includes growing of multiple crops on a single piece of land. Unlike monoculture, which depletes the fertility of the soil and increases the risk of pest, polyculture provides a diverse ecosystem which enriches the fertility of the soil naturally. Each crop plays an important role in polyculture. Some of them fix nitrogens and other attract pollinators. There are many benefits of polyculture. It enriches the soil naturally and it reduces the need for pesticides as pests find it harder to thrive in diverse climate. Then we have vermiculture. It includes the rearing of earthworms to make compost out of organic material. Earthworms break down organic material and produce casting, which is incredibly rich in nutrients. There are many benefits of vermiculture. It enhances the fertility of the soil and decreases the use of chemical fertilizers.
Next we have agroforestry. Agroforestry is basically a practice of integrating trees into farming systems. Trees not only act as windbreakers but also help us prevent soil erosion, maintain soil moisture and reduce temperature extremes. Now there are many benefits of agroforestry, that it prevents soil erosion, it conserves water and it also provides an additional source of income for the farmers by selling tree products.
Through this model, we aim to show lab on wheels on the theme natural farming, which is showing a sustainable village including the bamboo wind tower where the farmers are using sustainable means of farming.
Next farming technique is bamboo wind tower. Bamboo wind tower includes towers that will be placed across the farms and they'll transport air from them to the crops. They will relieve from heat stress and also upgrade soil fertility. Since the towers are made up of bamboo, which is eco-friendly and sustainable material that is both strong and flexible. The costing is from 18,000 to 20,000 including construction, installation, etc. Due to bamboo's low cost, accessibility, availability in India, bamboo wind towers is a perfect option for the farmers to opt and make their farming natural.
Through this model, we aim to show that sustainable agriculture is only possible with the techniques which are affordable, practical and aligned with nature. Each practice of our model shows a balanced, sustainable ecosystem which not only produces food but conserves resources and enhances biodiversity. We end our presentation, we leave you with the thought that the earth is what we all have in common. By taking care of it today, we ensure that it continues to nourish future generations. As Mahatma Gandhi rightly said,
There is enough for everyone's need. There is enough for everyone's need but not for anyone's greed. Thank you.